Hey guys, we're going to try something a little different. One of y'all had mentioned about salads in a jar. And years ago, I tried them. But of course, they're little. And I like a big salad. So I've got the stuff laid out. And we're going to try to make my salads in containers that I will be able to just add a few extra things to the night before. And then take them the next day. So let's see what we can do. Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. So to get things started, I'm going to go ahead and put a paper towel in the bottom of them. I know I'll have to remember to pull it back out, the night before. But for me, that's just a way to maybe help catch any of the extra wet things, the extra moisture. Maybe that'll help keep that from happening. So I always start things with some cabbage. So we're going to start off with cabbage, and we'll see if this works. It may or it may not. It might be a total disaster, but at least it's only 3 salads that I'll ruin instead of making a whole week's worth. So there we go. So we've got some cabbage there. And something else that I use is broccoli slaw. Just some broccoli slaw from Walmart. So I will sprinkle on a little bit of that. Whoa. Okay. And a little bit in this one. There we go. So just a little bit in each one. Rutabaga is very dry, so I don't have to worry about that one like getting wet and causing a problem like turning sour or anything. So I'll put a handful of rutabaga in each one. Onions, I don't think they're too bad. I've never had to put something in the bottom of the onions. So I'm going to put a little bit in that one, a little bit in that one, a little bit in that one. And there we go. A little bit of red onion. A little bit of white onion. Again, with these, I haven't had any issues with the onions getting like super wet to where I can't, where I have to put something in the bottom of them, unless they were frozen. Questionable. This is peppers. I'm going to set those back here for a minute. Carrots, very dry, so I'm not worried about carrots, like going in and causing a problem. So I'm going to cut up some carrots. Not really deciding on an amount, just cutting them up here. Just some bite-sized pieces. And you can do this whatever your favorite salad items are. Like I said, I'm focusing on the dry one, so maybe that will work and we will see. Okay, so that's all the carrots I'm going to do. I feel like jicama is not super duper wet. I've got it cut up pretty small. It's not super wet, so I don't think it's going to like spoil anything. So I'll put a little bit of jicama on each one. And a little bit of jicama on each one. So we're going to try this. And then, I don't know about the peppers. Just a second, let me see. They're not too wet. Maybe I'll just put a few of them on there. It's not like it's like I'm not putting my cucumbers on there, like my Debbie veggies. I'm not putting those on now. So what I'll do is, what I will try to do is the night before, I will pull one out, pull this paper towel out, and then add the bread and butter veggies and salad dressing and see. Ooh. But I'm afraid I'll forget if I season it now. I'm going to not season it now. Hopefully I will remember when I make this up. Hopefully that will remind me to season it. So I'm having trouble closing it because this paper towel is kind of hanging out a little bit. So let's see how that works.